Yo, what's up guys? Back again with another quad video. I know, you're probably getting sick of hearing it, but we're almost done. We painted these up last night. I showed that in the video you guys hopefully already watched. If you didn't watch it, go watch it. Clout chasing. So we figured out a better overflow for the coolant. What do you boys think? Yes, sir. Yeah, this is where I started tucking the harness. Did a little bit of touch-up paint before I went inside. I painted this lever because it looked atrocious. I don't even care what it looks like, really. Well, I do care what it looks like. I'm just saying after it got a little bit of paint on it, if it didn't look the cleanest in the world, that's fine because it looked like shit. So I ordered a new one of these and handle grips. It said it'll be here on the 17th. I don't really know when you guys are going to see this video because I'm a little bit behind. That's why I've kind of been posting so much, because I had so many videos and I was kind of only posting once a week, but I kind of got to get caught up. So yeah, quad build. What we're doing right now is I need to rinse off the plastic because it has overspray from me spraying the frame of the quad and me from spraying the inside of these black, which came out good, by the way. So let's get these rinsed off. We got these wet and drying, just washed them off. And I am going to go ahead and get all the white parts taken down off the rack over there and get them brought over here to the table so we can see what we're working on. I like it, boys. I like it. Nice and crispy. I don't want to like sit here and pick at it because it was kind of cold the other night, but it feels good. I can hold it. I can wiggle it around. Peyton just rolled up. Found these at work. $100 for all of these.
These are XXR something.
But let's be honest, $100. 2 of these tires are cooked, 2 of the tires are fine, plus you got extra rims. What do you think, Violet? What do you think? Scoop? Is that a scoop? She thinks it's a scoop. Ow! Cow? She hit me with her tail. Okay, so we're gonna...
Should I start it over?
No. Just chip the white already. It's gonna happen no matter what, so whatever. Show goes on. Alright, we're putting the first piece of white on. Fuck, I can't believe I just did that. I actually can believe I did that. It's all nice and shiny and white. Looking all primo. Sticking out like a sore thumb. First white piece on it, just sticking right out. I love it though. If the old heart says she's tight, she's tight. Yeah, I don't know about that, but it's on there, that's for sure. Hell yeah. First white piece. More to come. Next piece is the front. We're gonna go ahead and get this on. Peyton wants a fucking thumb in his ass.
No.
I did not grab the old heart. And I don't have the size for this either, so we'll wing that. We got one size out of two. Every little thing going to be alright. Yeah, man. Don't worry. Yo, I sing so good, I'm gonna get copyright. On it goes. Be very gentle with old girl. Find the hole.
I'm not gonna chip this one.
Oh no, it's gonna get chipped. Maybe not going on. Okay. What the fuck did I do with those? Hope they're in my pocket. Watch your profanity. Oh yeah, white chip, just a white paint, just a flying white chips. I guess that would have worked, eh? Didn't have to correct myself, goofy bitch. All right. We'll give you good fucking help, bitch. Yes. How we looking, Polo? What does it look like?
She's looking pretty nice.
And we got Polo, P-Lo man on the camera right now.
It's true.
Sheesh.
I look better behind the camera.
Oh, stop. Oh, yes.
Oh, yeah.
Put it on.
Oh. GoPro.
Yes.
GoPro died. GoPro died.
How?
What? Okay, hold on.
Did it say low battery powering off?
No, the screen went black, but apparently it's still recording.
No, that's what it does, Polo.
Power save mode, dog.
We still got this shit on camera.
Oh, okay.
Alright, check it out.
Shit, never mind, I guess.
Front's on. Yes.
It's
all coming together.
It's already a mean looking quad.
It's already a mean looking fucking 110, 120, 250. Who knows what the fuck this thing is? Let me know in the comments. I have no idea.
That's 50cc.
She's a fucking dirt bike with 4 wheels.
Yes.
Alright, so now we got the G outside. Tater's gonna...
What am I gonna do?
I don't know. Wheels?
I'm gonna get rid of that driver's seat.
Oh yeah, because the brackets. NRG seat brackets coming. Tater's gonna get the seat on. Pretty lit. New coolant reservoir. That needs to go on, but we're not gonna do that before the drift track because they're all keep your car safe. You can use coolant now. Yeah, well, guess what's in the G? I'll give you one fucking guess. It's not coolant. He's gonna get going on that. I'm literally just waiting for my parents to roll out so I can eat some dinner. And then I'm gonna take the G to Tractor Supply and get a nut and bolt kit for the quad because a lot of the nut and bolts, like the little 10 mils and stuff, are hella crusty. And yeah, there's just no way I don't want to stick that back in there, so. We're gonna take Polo's car because we're taking Tater with, and we're gonna go to O'Reilly's and Tractor Supply.
Or just O'Reilly.
Or just O'Reilly's, yeah.
Mega tight.
Coming in. Oh no, stop. It's going. Like a well-oiled machine. What the fuck did I even need from here? Oh yeah, you needed this. So all of these are fucking huge. Big, grande papi. So like I'm not trying to, and these are too small. So we might end up going to Tractor Supply, but what I need to see now is if they have a nut and bolt kit. So this is the nut and bolt selection. Not very big. Kind of just jonesing right now, boys. So I don't think this is going to be good enough. And I don't like the clamps that I'm finding here. We might end up coming back. But we're going to go to Tractor Supply too. We are back.
Are you ready, kid?
I got Fat Scoop from Tractor Supply on the hose clamps. Let's do the middle ones. 50-piece hose clamp though, this is $12.99. At O'Reilly's I would have got, I think it was like 4 a pack, and it was like, you got 4 in a pack and it was like $3.99 or something. I don't know, you guys seen in the video, I don't really remember though. But also got these, needed these. And then we got some fresh lock nuts, so I don't have to use lock washers, and some bolts. Because, yeah, that shit was crusty. So go figure, just my luck, why wouldn't this happen? Yup. Yup.
Goddamn kids. Dude.
Yup.
Barely touched that.
I want over here. Yup.
Damn, dude, it's bad.
Yup. So yeah, the new bolts I just bought. Not getting used apparently. I found a couple nicer looking nuts in the drawer. We're gonna go ahead and use that on the radiator. I literally say that
How could you be so heartless, man?
Kanye. Tater's starting to take his diff out. Hard working man. We're gonna hand this off to Polo. I have shown the clamps. New clamps? That's the one thing I got right is the clamps, because aha, go figure, I brought some with. But this is my, and we'll do this first. This is gonna be one of my favorite parts. Oh, that's big. Cut it. Cut it.
We're rolling.
Action. All right, so I grabbed the wrong handful. Silly me. This is the right handful. Oh, beautiful puppy. Look at that nice clip. She's
God fucking damn it. Piece
Hey.
of shit, Playboy.
settled
Crazy
on.
shit is that fucking. Trying to take it off.
Got a muscle her arm there. Ooh, daddy. To poppy. All right. Beautiful. Crank her tight. She is nice and tight. All right, so now we grab one of these. Oing, 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 oing. I love how I'm holding all these clamps, like I need to. Nice little accent, boys, huh? Oh. That would have been stupid.
Well,
Put that on there. This here. Tighten her out. Make sure it's accessible when the plastics are on. And yeah, check that out. It's pretty nice, eh? Hell yeah.
Oh yeah, you get make it really pops with all the other accents.
Oh yeah. All right, and we're just gonna do the other ones. You guys get it. I have the radiator hoses on now.
radiator spring.
And they do have radiator springs on them. And I think what I'm gonna tackle next are where my feet go. I don't know what the hell these are called. I'm 100% certain there's a terminology for them. Not foot bracket. Feel free to flame me in the comments. The more comments, the better. Okay, both sides are installed. Starting to look more like a quad. Piecing it together, boys. Next, let's put these on. No, I'm just kidding. Well, no, we're actually going to put them on, but I'm not going to throw them at it. Oh, no, I'm just kidding. Okay. We got a bunch of miscellaneous hardware. Pop that shit in there. Like so. Try to twist it up. It's a little bit of a tight fit apparently. All that spins inside of there. I went ahead and did a couple of things. So I put the exhaust on, and when I took this all apart, there was a million zip ties on the exhaust over here, and there was a million zip ties holding this radiator hose up. So I just have this one really thick zip tie, just giving it some clearance over the pipe, because this pipe is aftermarket, it's not the stock exhaust. I'm pretty sure we've talked about that. I have a couple zip ties here. This thing is shaking the whole quad. That's not going anywhere. We have nice gold bolts all over there. We just have our Haggard bolts in there, but those look fine. I went ahead and put one of these on, hand guards. I'll go figure that's an 8. So I'm gonna tighten that up. But once I get the other side on there, we're doing really good for tonight, boys. And the headlight housings, like brackets, I'm not even gonna bother putting those in, because why? Well, I don't even have headlights, so that's why. Well, I'd have to say a good amount of progress tonight. Video should be decently long. Tater got his diff out. Like we had mentioned, he ordered a new diff. We're gonna have to weld that. He got a little locker for it. He had to drop his sway bar. He was working under there. I was working over here. He got his seat out. Look at this thing, boys. It looks like the G35. Starting to look like it before we brought it down to the scrapyard. But that's all I got for tonight. I'll try to make the last video of the quad painting the plastics and putting them on and me riding it. So then there won't be any more quad videos. For the people that like the quad videos, aww. People that hated them, woo! Whatever. You guys know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. Have a nice night.